Hi everyone, Uplands Car Radios here in Cardiff. We've just finished fitting this lovely KENWOOD DMX6523DABS to a 2014 Toyota Hilux. This unit has wired and wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Some more features this radio includes digital radio, which the previous radio didn't have, so now the customer can choose from lots and lots of channels. Come out there. Some more features of this radio includes wireless mirroring for Androids, FM AM radio, Bluetooth audio for phones that aren't Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a USB input as well. We've also changed the USB down here to keep the housing working, keeping the steering wheel controls working as well, as you can see, and we've also kept the reversing camera working as well. This model comes with a 3-year extended warranty if installed by a pro install dealer such as ourselves. If this is something you're interested in for your vehicle, please let us know.